So welcome to the final lab. Now in this lab we'll be displaying the count value and the direction value printed in the previous lab onto the LCD. So we'll create a new project for this. So add on to file, new, application project. Now make sure it is design 1 wrapper hardware platform 1. So final project, give it the name, click on next, finish. Final project, source, rename it as final project.c. Wait for a minute, let this operation complete. Final project.c. okay, build finished, go to that. So we have this. We'll first program the FPGA, Xilinx program FPGA. Yes, this is the latest thing done. Program it. FPGA programming completed. Go here, run as, launch on hardware. Yes, SDK terminal. Yes, hello world had printed. It's already connected, so it printed hello world. So this is working fine. Now what we'll do, we'll copy the code from lcd.c and rotary encoder.c and we'll try to run it. So I'll copy all this code, rotary encoder code, copy, final project, I'll paste it, save it, launch on hardware. Yes, now I'll show you. I've connected the PMOD LCD also. We'll try to rotate this and see. Yes, it's completely fine, it's working now. Now we'll copy the LCD code, c.c. What else we have apart from this? Just add some comments here. Final project, author name, then date, 13/8. Yes, now in LCD code what else header files we have? stdlib.h. okay, we'll include this one, stdio.h, stdlib.h. then platforms, printf, xcpio, sleep string. Yes, that's fine. Then we'll copy all these functions, then this one, it's done now. And then in main we have these, we have a count here also, we don't need that, so only these things we'll copy. Hello world from microblaze, put it inside the main function. After all this, program started, no need. yes, and then we have all these functions down, so we'll copy everything, copy, then we'll paste it after main. Build finished. So I guess that's it. We have the GPIO 2 3 also set, LCD lines, yes, everything is perfect. Now if we run this, what we'll be getting, so we should get hello world from Microblaze printed onto the LCD. So let's run it, and as okay, so let's run it, launch on hardware. Okay, yes, hello world from Microblaze. So this is perfect, this has been printed now. Now what we'll do, just hello world from Microblaze, we'll change it to final project. Check the number of characters in string: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Final project from Microblaze, and then here instead of printing this, what we'll do, we need to print it onto the LCD, right? So LCD send string, what we'll send the string count equal to how much, how many characters, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? So comma 8. Do this. Before this we need to clear the LCD. So LCD clear command would be which one? LCD clear, yes, this is LCD clear command. Then place it at the home screen, copy this also, once this is done, count equal to, and then LCD send number. Which number we will send? Value, because value is the count, value will send. Then we'll need to go to the second line, yes, this one, C0. So we need to go to the second line, and then we'll print the direction. So LCD send string direction equal to comma 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Only few are there, so we'll remove the space. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So okay, 10 are there, so 10. Then direction would be LCD send string or else we'll do one thing. Here we'll take this, so what we'll do, instead of doing all this, we'll send this string, that's all. LCD send string right, or LCD send string left. I'll just copy this. we'll save it. Yeah, there's some error, too few arguments. Oh, sorry. This right will be 5, then left will be 4. What is this error now? Undefined reference to LCD send string. Sorry, S is small. Yes, build finished. Now let's try running this program now. I'll remove this, no longer needed. Oh, sorry, remove this alone. I'll just comment it out. So run as, launch on hardware. Let's see. Okay. Yes, I guess that's it. It's running now. Perfect. So this is the final project. It's working now. Counting right, so incrementing the count. Counting left, so decrementing the count. This was the intent of the project, final project, and it's done also. So it will overflow after 250. So yes, it's overflowed, and then counting left, decrementing the count. So yes, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the course. Thanks for watching. We'll be having a final assessment. So once you complete the final assessment and your submission will be evaluated, upon getting the minimum score, you will be, upon qualifying for the assessment, you will be getting a certificate. That's it. Head on to the next video to know what the assessment is.